Hi folks, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Oh, Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
So today we're going to talk about a weird subject, foot calluses, and this product is awesome. I'm not kidding, this is one of my favorite products of the year.
He's been talking about doing this video for over a week now, and it's like, this is his day to show.
By the way, we just evacuated the building so that people wouldn't be killed by the smell here.
Well, Bob, now let's not exaggerate.
Yeah, well, not exaggerating, really. But we're going to actually show two products today. One that really didn't work that well for me, and the other one that worked really well. What I was having trouble with, Brad, was I'm a runner,
yep,
and I was starting to have pain on the bottom of my foot,
sure,
from a callus. And I'm like, and it was getting to the point where I literally like, am I going to be able to keep running?
Oh, really?
I mean, it was that bad. I mean, it would feel better after a while. But I started, I'd use a nail clipper and I'd use a little file and stuff like that. And it just wasn't doing the job. So I discovered these things here. So, and we'll go over these in a minute.
But did you have your wife have a go at it?
No, she doesn't get near my feet. Not even.
I don't blame her a bit. Well, anyways, that's good that you got some help. Let's find out because I'm excited to try it myself.
All right, before we do that though, if you are new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and that's what this kind of category this falls into. If you're wondering how this ties in with us.
You threw me off, Bob.
Oh yeah, and by the way, also go over to the Facebook and like us, Bob and Brad, because all this week, once again, we are giving out positive vibes to all of you who like us.
There you go.
It's a good thing in life. There we go. All right, so we got two products here. Now, both of these, this is the one my wife was using. This is called the Mopi Petty Perfect Electronic Foot File. It's $19.88. You're supposed to use it on a dry foot. What'd you call this, Brad? It's like a grinder stone?
Yeah, it's like a nice bench grinder. So you could use it to sharpen your knives, as a matter of fact, if it doesn't help your feet.
So you just use it to go ahead and you go right over the callus. I'm going to have you, Brad, go ahead and try it on yours.
And look at the color.
Yeah, look at the color. It actually comes in blue now. Now, it works, because you can see it's doing some dust. But the problem
is... There is some dust.
Go a little higher. I mean, push a little harder, Brad.
Yeah, I can...
Yeah, he makes it stop.
I can easily make it stall.
Yeah. So, it had 9,230 reviews, so there's a lot of people that bought this thing, 4 stars, so it's not bad.
Yep.
I mean, it works decent, but for some people, the complaints were it stopped working.
Right.
And the other thing, like you said, you push it all, it just stops.
But all they need to do is get this plug into 110, get a little more horsepower on there. You won't be able to stall it.
It also has 4 AA batteries, so that they have to keep that in mind. They have to keep replacing the batteries.
Right.
So, I mean, it helped me, but once I found this second one, I'm like, this is tossed. I mean, this thing did the job.
You're not even going to keep it for a backup?
Nope, okay. That's not. So this is the Microplane Colossal Pedicure Rasp Foot File.
Wow, they really like to have long names with these foot items.
We've got this. Do we have a link below yet or not? I don't know if we got a link.
I didn't put a link below.
We'll get a link below. We'll make sure it's on our Amazon favorite products.
I can even afford this one.
Yeah, this is only less than $10, $9.80. It had 4,541 reviews when I looked at it. 5 out of 5. Very few bad reviews.
Sure.
A couple of people said that it wasn't made well, but grab onto that.
Well, it's not like you're going to be filing horseshoes and stuff like that. Like you're a farrier.
Yeah.
We're talking about.
No, I thought it was made actually quite well for the job.
For the job, it's done. It's very nice, and I can't wait to show people.
Yeah. So the only thing I would say is, you want to be careful with it. I mean, you can go too far.
Right. You don't want to go past the callus and into the derma, the skin.
Right. So. But it works much better than the electronic one, and this, I have not had a stitch of pain since I've been using this now.
This is really something that our audience or our viewers, maybe 50 and over, can relate to. These people in their 20s, they're saying, what are they?
I know.
They're sick. They're talking about their feet.
But no, when you get older, your feet become very important because they're your mode of locomotion.
Right.
And if they aren't working well, you're not working well.
If your feet are painful, life is not good.
Let's go to it, Brad.
Okay, so I do.
So your feet aren't terrible.
No. Well, thank you, Bob. But I do have a callus on the outside edge because when I walk, that part of my heel strikes first, and I've been walking that way since I was born, and I'm not going to change. Anyways, watch this. We got black socks here.
Yeah.
There we go. And these are my socks, by the way. They're not Bob's. So,
So he's just gently rubbing along it. And oh my God. Oh
man, this is just like dandruff coming off my
God.
foot.
Look. Oh
And
my
oh,
God.
It's
Oh my
not that bad. Come on,
Wait,
Bob.
I gotta hold on.
You
I
are.
might not be
No,
able to.
look at that.
Oh my God.
I'm feeling pretty proud about
know.
that. Look at the difference be that. And that was just a few gentle strokes. You don't even have to bear on it, you know. This is good.
So
I think I am going to get one of these tonight.
seriously, I mean, I always, you know, it's one of those weird things that I think it's one of those fetishes people have in life where they like to like peel skin or.
I'm feeling
pop
better
blisters.
already, Bob.
But I mean, I don't know.
You can
that,
actually
like,
tell when you're on a thicker part of the callus by how it feels.
right.
You can tell when you're starting to get a little thin, closer to the normal.
So mine
skin.
was right here, and now it's really nice and smooth, and like I go over the top of it, and nothing really happens.
Right.
So
This is one of those Christmas gifts you could get your parents.
yeah.
You know.
You know, again, people are going to think we're nuts, but
Well, of
once you use
course
this thing, look at this. It's like,
They already think we're nuts, but it's like dandruff.
yeah.
I thought it came from your head, but it comes from the other end too.
So it's gonna make you faster, Brad, because you just lost 2 pounds off your feet. So
And I feel better too. I feel like it's like when you get your hair cut, you know, things.
yeah.
This is great.
All right, I gotta sterilize this thing now, or maybe you want that one? I'll give you that one.
Really?
Yeah, and I'll order a new one.
This
I
is
just
the
don't want
best.
to touch
this
that one.
is one of the best videos we've ever done.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, this is better than fixing a broken heart, I think.
All right. Yeah, we can fix just about anything except for a broken heart.
you
We
go.
can take care of your feet. Thanks.